Hi there, everyone. Welcome and welcome back to iTech Explore. This is the place where we explore, create, and grow fast with technology. Today, we're diving into something very important for beginners, understanding Canva Dashboard. Once you log into Canva, this is what your dashboard looks like. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each section. First up, we have the search bar at the top. You can use this to search for templates and it will give you a lot of templates here. Your own designs, or even specific elements like birthday invitation. It's here. This is so much helpful if you're in a rush. Below the search bar is the quick access menu. It consists of shortcuts of the different designs that you want to create. When you click one here, for example, if you want to make a presentation, then it will give you a blank presentation ready for you to create your own. Or you can browse the templates that they have here. You can click on that template. You can customize it. Below that is the recent designs. These are the latest project you've worked on. It's a quick way to jump back in without searching. Now let's check out this left side menu here. This is where all your tools are. First one we have create a design. This is where you start from scratch or choose the type of content you want to design, like a presentation, a logo, or a YouTube thumbnail. Below that one, your projects, templates, brand if you are in a pro version, or applications, and a lot more. For projects, this is where all your designs, folders, and uploads are saved. If you want to directly go back to your recent projects, then you can click here. For templates, browse ready-made templates categorized by theme or platform. For example, if you want to make a document, it's just right here. YouTube thumbnail or any presentations. If you're using Canva Pro, you'll see the brand kit here to manage your logo, colors, and font. To boost your creativity, you can even connect to other tools like Google Drive or Instagram and many more. And lastly, on the bottom left corner, you'll see the account icon. This is where you can switch between personal or team designs, adjust your settings, or even log out. And that's a quick tour of our Canva dashboard. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes super easy to use. In the next video, we'll dive into how to use templates to create your first design. So that's it for today's video. If you think this helps, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you want to learn in Canva. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!